Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a thank you card in Canva mobile. So just open the Canva apps on your phone and just click on the search column at the top and type in thank you card as the keyword. Click on enter, and here wait for it to load, and Canva will show you the templates of a thank you card that you can freely choose. For example, I'm going to use this one. Click on the template that you want to use and click on customize this template, and after that the templates will be open. Here you can just made some adjustments. For example, you want to change the background, just click on the background, click on the color, and here you can choose your favorite color. Okay, you can also just change, for example, the name of your customer in here, Jane. Okay, for example, like this. And to download, just click on the arrow at the top. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.